Hello guys, my name is Melinda and I am coming from the Huntington Apartments located in Huntington Beach. Today I'm going to show you a lovely 2-bedroom, 1-bath. You ready? Let's go. So you're going to come on in, you're going to get a sense of great living room space leading off into the patio area, which is quite large. It's going to give you enough space for some great patio furniture. And if you turn around, you're actually going to see the dining area, which also provides you with a secondary patio, which is amazing because the fact that you have 2 patios, it's going to allow for some great cross breeze. The airflow is just amazing. If you follow me out there to the backyard, you're going to see how big, ample, you could do so much with it. The storage is amazing. It is a great 2x6, giving you enough space to store Christmas gifts or just extra items that you don't know what to do with. Leading back into the kitchen area, I'm going to show you our beautiful open concept kitchen. Love the prep area. It's just a nice feeling. This kitchen makes me feel like it's more like a home instead of an apartment. My favorite part is that it's all GE appliances. They're all neat, kept, very tidy. We do have the newer range, the radiant heat stove, microwave, plenty of cabinets, as you can see. Voila. And then it does offer you a dishwasher, double sink, and my favorite, the kitchen window. Who doesn't like a kitchen window? Ceiling fan, you're not going to really need it for the fact that the 2 patios is going to allow for so much airflow. It's so amazing. Even though you're not going to need your AC, this apartment does offer a AC. And we're going to come on back and we're going to head on into the bedroom. Good sized bedroom, offering a wall-to-wall closet with mirrored closets. This is about a 12 by 12. I wish you could see it in person because it just looks so big. I'm telling you, it's all how you utilize the square footage. Coming on back here, first thing you're going to see is your massive bathroom. It's going to have the great size vanity area, tub, and once again, hard surface program. Linen space. So here we have your linen storage, which has about 6 shelves for a lot of space. Coming into the master bedroom, you're going to get hit with lots of lighting. Once again, you're going to have ample closet space because it does allow for wall-to-wall closet as well as another 12 by 12 bedroom. All my apartments come with a 2-tone finish, so you'll always get a nice cream base wall with a white baseboard as well as trim on the doors. So this particular one happens to be white with cream. It's like a lot of times people love the fact that it's not just a stark white apartment. I love that because it makes me feel like it's more homely and it feels more like a home. I hope that you have enjoyed this tour of our lovely 2-bedroom, 1-bath with an open concept kitchen. I thank you for taking a tour with me. Have a great day.